guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you can tell, I'm gonna show you guys everything that I got for my birthday, and I'm also gonna do a huge unboxing because clearly your girl did some damage, and so I thought that I'll share what I got with you guys. I think I'm gonna start with things that I got for my birthday. I did vlog the whole thing, so I'll make sure to leave the video in the eye, and if you guys see the video, probably you will recognize a couple of these bits. First thing first, we got candies and also this little crown thing, which, I mean, how cool is that? And it has different settings as well. So basically, I celebrated my birthday in Ballie, Ballerson in Shoreditch. I actually still have the wristband, which is kind of funny, but basically my friend bought me a cake, and I think this one as well, and it was so funny because the cake was actually made entirely out of candies, and so that's why I have this bag full of candies now. Yeah, I got this too. And then from Ballie Ballerson, I actually also got this one right here, which is basically a voucher to redeem 2 free tickets for next time, which I thought it was so kind of them. And she also wrote like happy birthday. I mean, how cute is that? I'm obsessed. Then moving on with the postcard, also my mom sent me these, which I think is so cute. I legit opened this on camera and I read what she wrote and I started sobbing, like it was so bad. But yeah, super cute postcard. And then she also sent me some money, which is always a good gift. And actually all my friends together and then other 2 friends give me some vouchers, so I had like, I think it's like $100, if not more, a voucher to spend on Hollister and $40 to spend on Asos. We all know I am a shopaholic, so that is definitely gonna be quite handy. Also, something else my friend Eilish got me, which you guys know her from the WaterDrop clear out video, which I will also link in the eye. But she got me this book, which I'm not gonna talk about, but thank you, Ailey. Now let's move on the other side. I have this little essential oil diffuser, which I'm still yet to use, but I've opened this up on camera a couple of days ago and it smells so nice, so I can't wait to put these on use. I'm gonna take it off the box so you guys can see it. Oh my god, it smells so good. Okay, so definitely need to figure out how to close this properly. Like, how cute. I'm obsessed. I got lavender, peppermint, sweet orange, eucalyptus, lemongrass, and tea tree, which I'm definitely gonna like set this up and put it on tonight because I did have some trouble sleeping yesterday, so maybe this will fix my problems. I forgot to say that this one was from my best friend Simona. I literally sent it with Amazon Prime in the UK. If you guys didn't know this and you missed my touring vlogs or any of the other vlogs where she's in, she's currently like in Italy and I'm in the UK, so she literally like Amazoned it to me. I think that's so like smart because the pricing to like send something from the UK in Italy and vice versa, they're crazy. But yeah, super stoked. Okay, last birthday gift is this hoodie right here. Shade pink. I also did unbox this on camera, but basically my boyfriend got us matching hoodies. Pink, of course, because we know how obsessed I am with pink. This is how it looks like. It's quite like basic and simple, and he also said he didn't like it when he arrived, so he wanted to give me something else as well, which, you know, I'm always in for. And now let's move on with the unboxing part of this video. First parcel that I got here is from Hollister, and I mean, she's big, okay? She's a big parcel. I definitely spent way too much money on it, but I'm super excited. We're gonna open this up together and, well, hopefully I like everything. Otherwise, we'll send it back. That's the plan. Oh, okay. Okay, let's try one thing out at a time. Okay. It's gonna make so much noise, I'm so sorry. Let me take this out. So, first thing first, I got a pair of joggers, which are kind of like cargo pants. So they're like joggers, but they look like cargo pants, if it makes any sense. And I got them in this green color. I definitely thought it was more like aquamarine, but it's actually a bit more like minty, kind of like my little puff jacket, which I don't mind. So I guess I'll need to try this on and see how I like them, and then based on that they will either stay or go. Okay, this is definitely not the color I was expecting. Oh no, definitely no. I have a feeling I will send this back. Basically, I got a matching set with a little cropped hoodie and a pair of shorts, but I had to get a medium on the shorts because the small was sold out, so they definitely look big. And also oh man, I'm not a fan of this color. Like, I thought it was like a pretty tie-dye situation with like a grey / whitish base, but this is literally like almost yellow, like cream. I don't know, I'll try this on, but straight out of the batch is probably not my cup of tea just because of its color, which by the way definitely looked different online. Like, it generally did not look like that. Also guys, I'm trying to fold everything just so I don't make a huge mess. Okay, so let's start with this. Okay, this is definitely a different material than I was expecting it, but I quite like it. It basically got a little bralette sort of thing. I was supposed to get this in pink, but then again they ran out of the pink, so I was like, you know what, I'll just get the bluish one. And I wanted to like wear this with the shorts as well, and it kind of goes, I guess, with the shorts. No, actually no, it just, no. That's cute though. I might keep this one and then send back the rest, I guess. I don't know, I'll have to try everything on and then see. Then I also got a little bra, which is also not how I was expecting it. Why is this all a huge fail? Well, the back is super cute, I think, but then I'm not really a fan of the fabric they used. Okay, well, we might save a couple bucks, I guess, because if I need to send everything back, that will be £50 back in my account, so not too bad, I guess. Okay, hear me out. I got this one specifically to get the free shipping. Like, that's probably the only reason why I got it. So I don't really have high expectations on it, but we'll try it on as well and see how I like it, I guess. I think the back will be kind of weird, but this is how it looks in the front. Okay, onto this side. I do want to start with the big one first. I got this one from WaterDrop and I'm quite excited about it. I got some new bits, so okay. Oh my god, this is a huge box. 1, 2, 3. I generally never had a box this big in my whole life. Okay, so I got quite a few bits, which I'm super stoked. I generally forgot what I ordered, and I also redeemed a couple of my points, so I pretty much got most of them for free. So the first one is Sky, which is one of the little drops, and this one has pineberry, passion fruit, and cactus fruit. I think I'm gonna like it. I definitely can't wait to give this a go. And then I also got Shiro, cherry blossom, mallow, and ginseng. So super excited to try these two out. And now let's start with this. What is this? Ooh, yes, yes. Oh my god, so cute. They're marble, I think, as well. Also guys, I did a whole video reviewing WaterDrop as a company, and I also did a little unboxing in there. So definitely go ahead and check that out if you want to see a bit more about WaterDrop and my thoughts on them and anything like that. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Oh my god, look how gorgeous. This is so cute. Oh my god, I'm genuinely obsessed. Let's do the big one. Oh. Wait. What the hell? Guys, oh my god, I'm so confused. I'm pretty sure I only got this one, like the small ones. I'm pretty sure I didn't order the big one as well. Okay, now we have like another 2 to add to the collection. I mean, not mad, but just saying. Oh my god, this one is so pretty though. Oh my god, I love the little glass bottle. So yeah, I have to like look into that, but basically got a big one, and then I wanted to get a new one in this beautiful aquamarine color. Super obsessed with it. I'm generally still confused about the other one, but I mean, if they just send it to me, I'm not complaining. And then something a bit less exciting, but that you might need. I basically got this little bottle brush cleaner thing. So yeah, this will definitely come in handy, I'm telling ya. Also guys, if you want to test WaterDrop or get any of the bits that I got, I actually have a coupon code that you can use. So I'll add all the information in the screen as well as in the post down below. Go ahead and check that out. And now let me just clean this mess, shall we? Okay, so I just realized that I can't show you guys the big one just yet because it's for a collaboration. Super excited for that. And so we have 2 more to open. I'm not gonna bother opening the small one because Amazon apparently sent me twice of the same thing, which I'm not complaining. I'll definitely take this one as well, but basically ordered a protector for my phone, so I'm not gonna bother showing you guys this on camera. And so we are left with this little one. I'm pretty sure I know what it is, but oh yep, I'm not gonna go too in deep with this one as well, but I basically got a little trial kit from Rome. If you're interested, you can definitely check them out on Instagram. And yeah, I think that's it for this unboxing. So hopefully the look of this one doesn't bother me when I edit this outro. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, of course, be sure to give me a big thumbs up. Tell me in the comments below what is your favorite thing that I got. And if you're new to my channel, of course, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a beautiful late birthday gift. And also, if you guys are curious about what's in the box, be sure to subscribe, turn on the post notification. And with that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Took one look and now I was falling. I knew it from the moment that I saw. Ocean out so deep that I could fall in.